Good morning, boys and girls. So, let me see those counting fingers. Yeah, let's use our counting fingers to count from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counting fingers. Now let's clap on from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting, boys and girls. Look at what I have today. Today we are going to journey with our 10 frame. And we are using our 10 frame to count on. So let's count how many frames are in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 frames in our 10 frame. Good. And we are going to use bottle covers for this lesson. So I'm going to bring out a card. It's an addition card, and on this card I have some numbers and some words, and we know some of these words. I have 4 and, good job, something is 5. Now this looks pretty strange. What are you talking about, 4 and something? What is that something? Well, fear not, because we are going to use our 10 frame to find out what that something is, and it's called counting on. So I'm going to put this here. On my 10 frame, I'm going to put down the number that they said they have. They have 4. So I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 and something is 5. Okay, we don't know what this something is, but we know whatever we have here have to add up to make 5. So we're going to use a different color now to continue counting on to 5. So we have 4 and we want to stop at 5. 4, 5. So you see, we have 5 bottle covers on our 10 frame. We have 4 of one color and we have 1 of one color. And that is how we are going to get our answer. We have 4 and that 1 there is 5. So I'm going to put the 1 right here on the line for you to see. 4 and 1 is 5. 4 and 1 is 5. I'm going to take off this bottle covers and I'm going to put it down. And now we are going to use cotton balls because I forgot to collect my bottle covers. But I have enough cotton balls to help us with this lesson. I now have 6 and something is 9. And there we go again. But what is this something? Fear not, because we're going to put down 6 of one color and count on and stop at 9. And then we're going to use the other color to find out what this something is. So I'm going to start with orange. I'm going to put down 6 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cotton balls on my 10 frame, but we need to count on to 9. So we're going to use the blue to help us count on to 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how many did I put on to finish up to 9? Let's count. We're going to count the blue to see what is missing. 1, 2, 3. So I put on 3 blue. That is telling us the answer that is missing here. So we have 6 and 3 is 9. So let's put it down. I'm going to write it for you to see. Yes. 6 and 3 is 9. Good job. Let's practice doing some more. So we're going to put the blue on this side, put the orange on this side. We have a small number, so I can use my bottle covers. We have 3 and something is 5. So we're going to find out what that something is. I'm going to put down 3 blue bottle covers. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to count on up to 5 to find out what the something is. So 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 blue and 2 white. 3 and 2 is 5. So I'm going to write down 2 here so that you can see that 3 and 2 is 5. Look at that. 3 and 2 is 5. So let's put this back here because we have more to complete. We have more big numbers. So we have 5 and something is 8. What is the something? Fear not. So we're going to put down 5 first on our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are counting on to 8. So we have 5 there and we want to count on to 8. So 5, and we're using a different color to count on. 5 on the 10 frame, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5 orange and yes, 3 blue. So therefore, the something that is missing here is 3. So let's write it and then we'll count it all together. We have 5 and 3 is 8. So let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 is 8. We have one more to do. So let's pack it back up. Good. And I'll show you the card. On this card it has 1 and something is 5. Read it with me again. 1 and something is 5. So I'm going to put down 1 blue and we're counting on to make 5. I'm going to use the white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many made 5? We have 1 and 4 is 5. So we're going to put 4 here because 4 is the missing answer, the something that made 5 with 1. Read it with me. 1 and 4 is 5. Good job, boys and girls. You are doing a good job with your listening ear and your looking eyes. Give yourselves a clap. Now let's count from 0 to 10 because we need to finish up our lesson to go into our next lesson. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So now you are going to practice counting on for me using your 10 frame and your bottle covers that you have been collecting. And you're going to practice with the sums that you have in your mathematics copy book.